To start, we're going to use Mrs. Dow's $50 payment for mowing and weeding. Once the $50 is entered as a payment, it will automatically appear on the general ledger. At the same time, a journal entry will be added behind the scenes. Same thing happens when you record an expense. Don't forget that for all transactions, you must select the correct account and then categorize it correctly. If you don't do that, you will have a hot mess. Balances will be off, reports will be incorrect, and you don't want any parts of that. Let's see what happens when we add Mrs. Dow's payment. Click the name or service for the transaction on the general ledger to open it. Click the More tab at the bottom and then select Transaction Journal. See how the automatic journal entry is created behind the transaction? Notice that the check adds a debit of $50 to the checking account and a credit of $50 to accounts receivable, just like when you did this manually. Speaking of doing things manually, even with software, you might need to add a journal entry manually.